Alright, it is 12:05. I'm going to take this cap off and we are going to burp the coolant reservoir. We're going to burp the card. Hopefully we don't have a blown head gasket. Figure out what's going on. P03 and P06. Alright, coolant level is holding. I don't see any bubbles, but I'm not getting hot air coming out of the heater, even though the heater's on. But just listen to the motor. $116. This hose right here, 170 degrees. Jesus. And the bottom hose, 87. So what does that mean? All right. I haven't let it run for a full 10 minutes yet. Listen to the motor. Let's look and see what we got temperature wise on the hose. 148. Engine's 130. So it's got to get 200 degrees before the thermostat opens. The lower hose is 93, 92. It's going up. Still blowing 81. But it's not getting hot yet. Coolant hasn't dropped, still at the line. 123, 136 on the hose. It's good, we're not seeing any bubbling, so all the air must be out of the system. That's good. So we should be able to get hot air soon, right? No check engine lights, thank God. Run the codes. No codes, no check engine lights since I changed that coil. Still 81.81. Alright, I'm starting to see smoke or that steam coming off. Is that steam or is that smoke? Should I turn it off? 123. And that could be steam. Doesn't smell like smoke. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's check the heater. Still not overheating. Alright, let's see what the temperature is. We're still not at 200 degrees yet, so it's not there. Man, that looks like smoke. Don't smell like it though. I guess it's just steam. Alright, still cool here. Still blowing cold air. 80. Is the heater on? Yeah, the heater's definitely on. It's not overheating. That's 167. I've only been running 5 minutes. Coolant level's not bubbling. Still holding at the line, which is good. See the second hose. Second hose is 99. First one's 174. Motor's 170. Come on, baby. Open up. Still not overheating. Wonder if I should try driving it a little. Come on. I'm so scared. Man, it's a lot of steam. Motor's 159. Oh, I see a 200 somewhere. 207. All right, hold on. We're still reading cool. Engine's idling okay. Coolant's still holding. Temperature's 81.1. Damn it. Engine's 152. Thermostat is 188. $197 is somewhere, right there on the cylinder block, right at 200 almost. Come on, baby. Fuck. Starting to sound like it's tapping now. Sounds like it's tapping, don't it? Come on. Check that top hose. 175. 173. 120. Man. Man, that is a lot of steam. Is it supposed to steam like that? Going on 8 minutes now. We're still not overheating, which is good. Got no codes. I don't like that steaming. Why is it not steaming? Is the thermostat not opening? Is that the problem? I don't want to melt this radiator. God dang it, man. Heater's on full blast. Still not getting hotter than 81 degrees. Temperature's holding steady. And it's been almost 10 minutes. Let's see what time it is. Coolant level has stayed the same. Coolant level has stayed the same for 10 minutes now. Except we got a lot of steam coming out. And let's see. Bottom radiator hose is 174, I think. 186. Top one is 2 something. Damn, what was that? 206 right there. That top hose is 206. Oh, the fans are kicking on. What does that mean? Does that mean the heater might work? The fans just kicked on. And the steam just went away. Engine sounds like it's doing good. All right, car's been running for 10 minutes. Coolant level has not changed. Of course, it's not capped off either. We got a lot of steam. Let's see, here's all the temperatures. Here. Get my better light. Okay. Hose, 32 on the hose, motor, top radiator hose 178, bottom 155, 140. So that means the coolant's going through, right? The motor's 164, 150. Oh man, it's good news, huh? But why is my heater not blowing hot? But the heater's still not blowing hot. Whoa, hold on. 83. We're getting there. Heater's coming. 82.7. That is an increase. And the coolant is not overheated yet. I mean, it's not showed overheating. Huh, interesting. Alright, so cars ran for about 10 minutes. I'm going to turn it off now, cap everything off, and then we'll do a driving test. Alright. I just can't believe this heater is not going on here. I mean, the temperature is holding steady. Should I keep going till the fans kicked on again? Still reading cool. All right. 84, 83, it's getting warmer. Damn it, I can't see the temperature. 84 degrees, it's getting warmer. Yes, the heat is actually working. I think we should be good. All right. Go ahead and turn her off. Check one more time on that heat. 83, 84. It's getting hot. She's alive. Holding steady. Temperature still holding steady. I think she might be fixed, boys. Woo! Well, by my calculations, I think she's fixed. Other than the steam here, I guess that's normal. It's only 1,000,000 degrees outside. Let's see, what's the temperature out here? It ain't no 74. Yeah, I guess it is 74.6. So this would cause easy steam.